Hello, welcome to another episode of Strug-Free Cocktail. Today I'm going...
My humblest apologies.
Nick! There he is. Nick, come on. Come, this is our episode. Come. Where were you? Did you have another board meeting?
You didn't tell me that we were doing this tonight.
Yes, I did. I told you like 30 times.
What if I wasn't wearing my work microphone? I would look like a fool.
You just lucked out. Come on. Let's make this cocktail. Put down your briefcase. Let's go.
It's great to see you guys again.
Okay, Strug-Free Cocktails, people, fans. Today, we have a special guest who's very excited to be here. This is my boyfriend, Nicholas Peacock. We met in improv class. He's currently improving. We thought we would show off our skills.
You gave me away.
So today, we are going to make a cocktail that I very humbly relate to our dating experience. Do you know what that cocktail is?
Yes,
Well, what would it be?
the Rattlesnake.
Oh, someone prepared. We were watching Mind of a Chef, and it was like, I can't even remember, some episode with Sean Brock, and he made a rattlesnake, which is basically a spin on a whiskey sour. And I've always wanted to make a whiskey sour on Strug-Free Cocktails, but I was trying to come up with something that was gonna be like a spin on the whiskey sour, and then I was like, duh, the rattlesnake. So when Nick and I first started dating, when he was not being awkward and he was being normal, I wanted to make him a rattlesnake for dinner. And I went to the store and could not find Absinthe anywhere, so I bought this like really weird like anise flavored liqueur, and it kind of worked out. But now I finally have Absinthe, so I thought I would finally teach you how to make this cocktail. Are you ready?
Yes. Whiskey, absinthe, lemon juice, simple syrup, egg white. This might actually be my first cocktail I've ever made.
Pay attention and listen up, because I'm gonna make the cocktail and then I'm gonna have you make it and quiz you on it, okay?
Ready?
Okay, study up. Okay, so I'm gonna do 2 ounces of rye whiskey, because this is like essentially a whiskey sour. And then I'm gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice, a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, a 1/4 ounce of absinthe. Are you paying attention?
Yes.
So serious. And then this is the kicker. We are doing an egg white cocktail. So I'm gonna use an egg white. There's a very specific way to get your egg white in your drink, and it's by sifting it through your fingers, which I cannot wait to see Nick do. Okay, so I've got most of the egg white in there, and I'm gonna dump the yolk. Nick, you're so chatty today. God, I can't get him to shut up.
Sorry, I'll be more quiet.
When you make an egg white cocktail, you do a dry shake before you shake on ice. Have you ever heard of this method before?
Yes.
Oh, from who?
The script you gave me.
Okay. So let's do a dry shake first, because we're gonna emulsify the egg white. It feels really weird because it's so light and you're like, what? So see how it's got like a little bit of foam? Ooh, it already smells good. Ooh, I'm excited. We're gonna shoot over a large ice cube today. It basically does kind of the same thing as shaking over multiple cubes, but you get less ice chips because we're gonna strain this up.
Okay.
Okay? And you need to shake the absolute shit out of an egg white cocktail because you really want that foam to be defined. Thick and foamy and juicy. Ooh, I'm excited. Look at that, y'all.
Wow.
You see that? And so it's gonna start to define and separate. I'm gonna do, this is kind of like an old-fashioned sort of twist, but it's super fun for a rattlesnake because it's supposed to be like the rattlesnake tail. And you really gotta do this super slow with one of these twisties, one of these peelers. And then to get it curly, I'm just gonna put it around my finger. Look at that! Oh my God, how cute!
We did it.
We did it. Okay, do you think you can do this?
Yes. We'll find out.
Okay, so where do we start?
So we start at the beginning with Widow Jane. We do the small side. Nope, joking. We do the large side.
Put it in this baby.
And we do it in that baby. So you want to pull it back and then push it down. It's enough. Give yourself a little splash. Then we spin it. Now we get to the back half, which I think it's in this order. Oh God. So just
Okay, stop.
I'm sorry.
It's a good round.
Just like when the cameras aren't here. Next up, we have lemon. And this you want to flip again to the small. And you're going to do half.
Nope.
Nope.
3/4.
3/4. You start with half and then you keep going to 3/4.
Nope, keep going.
And then you want to let it
Get
sit.
to that. Get to that.
You want to let it sit between pours. It's called a striped pour. And you do that. And we flip it. Time for the simple syrup, you guys. Nothing simple.
No.
Nope. Nothing is simple about that syrup.
No, that was right, but the wrong side. I like how you're doing your fingers.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah, that's good.
Let me give it a little. We're gonna white an egg. Take your egg. Uh-oh. Give it a crack. Oh my God! I thought you put it in your hand. Oh my God. Next you put it on the side and you let the whites go down to the bottom. You got yourself an egg white in the, oh! It's very loose. It's very loose. So you want to drop it in for a little bit of flavor and then you take it out and what it does is it pulls away.
No, in there.
Okay. It pulls away all the extracts that you might find on the egg. Next up, we're gonna do a dry shake. For those of you at home that are wondering what a dry shake is, we don't put ice. Go ahead, give yourself a, you deserve it. Give yourself a top, and then you wanna, because I don't want to get on the shirt. Give it a good shake. And you want to.
Wow, you're not bad at the shake.
Thank you. Lots of practice. Oh my God.
Flip it.
Oh, you want to flip it upside down, give it a little hit. Oh my God.
Look.
You got yourself some good shake. Next up, you take a cube,
Pour this.
you pour it back in. You don't want anyone to help you because they said they weren't going to, and it seems like they might. You just ignore them, you do your own thing because it's about forging ahead. You take one ice, you drop it right on, nope, you put it in here first. You get it nice and cold, then you pour it on top. Yeah, okay, then you pour it on top, hit it back right on in, give it a couple shakes. You want to get it cold to the touch. Then you flip it up.
Shake it longer.
Oh, you want it? Well, you let it get cold to the touch, and then you do a second shake. What you're listening for is it to look just like that. So then you take the cube out by leaving it in, and you put this, give yourself a little pour.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh my goodness.
You just did it.
Well, not yet,
Okay.
because the final piece, you're gonna make yourself the rattlesnake tail. Nope, you don't.
No.
Nope, 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 nope. Wait, sorry, you said learn yourself. You go to the top, you stick it in. Nope, no you don't. You stick it from the side. Yep, right? Nope, too low. And then you want, oh my God. You loosen up the rind. You loosen up the rind and give yourself,
Okay, you're getting there. That's good.
yes, because you want to loosen it up. Go ahead, give it a good turn about. And then when you're left, you dip it in the egg that you just dropped there. It's called whiting the lime. Give it a twirl around your finger. This is called ringing a lemon. And then you garnish.
That looks cute.
You garnish to taste. And there. That's how you make yourself a rattlesnake on Strug-Free cocktails.
Okay, let's try it.
Cheers.
What do you think? Does it taste like your memories?
Tastes like a memory of something.
There we have it, folks.
And remember, you can do this at home yourself too.
That was another episode of Strug-Free Cocktails. Actually, I think yours is, well, because mine died a little. I think yours is frothier than mine.
It's the extra shake.
Have a Strug-Free day. Go make yourself a
cocktail.
rattlesnake.
Rattlesnake cocktail.